Hello, today you are going to be working with a partner to make alphabet soup. Inside my container are a bunch of letters. You and your partner will both have a spoon and you will take turns mixing up the letters to find one that may belong in your name. So both of our letters' names are inside of this container. It's my turn now, so I'm going to mix it up and then I'm going to reach in and I'm going to grab a letter. Up. This is the letter E. Since it's my turn, I'm going to say the name E. Now I have to think of a food that I know that begins with the letter E. I know that E says so that makes me think of eggs. Since I'm done with this letter, I'm going to put this down. Now it's my partner's turn. My partner's going to reach in, stir around the letters to make our alphabet soup. And my partner's going to reach in and grab a letter that may belong in their name. Up. I found the letter S. Let's say my partner's name is Sam. So my partner Sam is going to say S. Then my partner Sam has to think of a food that begins with the letter S. Maybe Sam is thinking of a fish called a salmon. So Sam will say salmon. Then Sam's going to take that letter and place that letter down. You and your partner are going to continue mixing up your alphabet soup, picking out letters, saying their names and foods that belong with them until all the letters of the alphabet are gone.